Good evening, sir. So this is my report of this is title of Ranging and Eliminating Rest of a Repair of Fluidity of Short Things and the salary of the salary from the established company were 1 to 29,000 per year. Your expected utility from startup company over point deep would exist of utility from established company offer. So point F is in this case, you would refer to better on the short thing. So, like for example, based on the graph, so ang gikan sa if to this, so na siya kuan kanang second, but na siya extra money kung kuan mo trabaho siya maayo, so na siya ma-earn nga kuan na before kuan sa kuan ning salary niya high sa yung salary kibali tip kibali sa kuan. Then next is then next is Rex premium. So difference between the expected value of lottery and the fee of sure thing that makes person different call as a premium. So like for example, Rex premium it is extra amount expected reward needed to convince someone to accept Rex choice instead of granted outcome. So mo na gingon og na so kanang extra amount ang iyang madawat if mo human siya sa iyang trabaho nga kuan iyang minimum. Next topic is rest premium for rest adverse decision maker. If a salary offer from established company were 27 per year, you would be indifferent between the startup company offer. The established company offer one offer the two pair would have an same utility 99,000. The rest premium is given by length of line segment ED, which is 17,000. So based of the graph, then ang gikan sa ED to A to D, this is line segment. So gikan sa A, so ang yang price is 17,000 mo na ang gitawag nga line segment. Gikan sa D, A to D. So next is Pearly Price Insurance Policy. So unaccurately per insurance policy is a insurance where a premium paid exact equal to the expected value of the insurance payout. So like for example, this aim to insurance company needed express to the gain or loss money on average. For example, there are there are a 10% chance of losing. So 1,000, the expected losses is 100. So kay 10% man ang iyang kuan percentage is ang 1,000 is na siya 100 pesos. Ang iyang next is systemic systematic information as a situation where one part of has more information about its action or characteristic than other party is called of asymmetric information. So like for example, a use of car seller maybe know the car has a problem while the buyer does not because this is information imbalance. Decision may become unfair or inefficient. Kayo man siya nakabalo sa kuan ko na ba toy sakit tong aon na toy daot ang sakyan nga yang gibaligya sa next owner. So next, moral hazard is happen when a person become less careful because they are protected by insurance. So makaingon gid ta nga protected sa labi na sa mga gipalit nato person. Like for example, a person with a car insurance might drive is less carefully because they are not to insurance can't help pay for accident or cost. So makaingon kita sa atong kuan ka og labi na kung palitag sakyanan. So kabalo man ta na pay warranty. So naagid tay makapatoy ang gitag drive kay kabalo man ta ma-covered pa ni sa kumpanya kung makadaot ka makadisgrasya ka. For example, na kay ma-disgrasya so covered man to sa insurance. So mo na siya example sa moral hazard. The last one is adverse selection. Adverse selection is happen to high insurance premium cost of use low risk individual to stop buying insurance while others individual continue to purchase it. So like for example, if insurance become every expensive, healthy people maybe decide to not buy it, while people to expect medical express will keep their average